Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Slot Lady channel analytics. She has uploaded 1,722 videos. She now has 180k subscribers with a total view of 86,708,339 views. She's from Canada, and her channel type is games. She created her channel since June 27, 2017. The grade she got is B, and her Social Blade ranking is at 65,190th. The subscriber ranking is 142,577th, and then video view rank is 66,294th. She ranked 2,298th in Canada and 14,760th in games. Next, the daily subs for Slot Lady is around 167 with a daily view of 103,674. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 100,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $400. Then, monthly income will be $12,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $6,600 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $79,200. That is how much Slot Lady earns from YouTube.